What's up, guys? Railfan connects back again with a bit of a different video today. So about in 2023, when I started making my YouTube channel, I had a friend. And of course, you guys probably know who it is. Of course, being Mr. Alec. Yeah, back in 2023. I went out railfanning with him for the first time ever, and it was that night. I think it was like November of 2023 or something like that. And well, let's just say we got kind of lucky on our first night. I've got the video up here from that day, or at least that around that time, and we're gonna go ahead and react to it. So sit back, relax, maybe grab a snack, or maybe grab something. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at this video from a year and a half ago with Mr. Alec, who is previously known as Alec's Fixer Upper, back in 2023, before his channel is now named, I think it's AGD or something like that. Editor me will remember. So we're gonna go ahead and get started right here.
Hey everybody, Railfan Connects Fight here with Alec's Fixer Upper. We got a train, there go the gates. Roll it.
Roll it. He was too excited. And so was I.
And who am I here with today?
We're here with Mr. Railfan Connects Fight. Why didn't I say my name? Yes, of course it's slow. Gotta love it. Hold on. I think 712 was previously my profile picture back when I first started the channel, or at least my account profile. I think it was 712 in the daylight. I don't remember what train it was on. Heck, I don't even know what a lot of the symbols were that time. So shrug. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I want to talk to whoever did that. I want to talk to whoever made these boxcars. I want to talk to them so bad. Because, like, dude, you have so many Canadian National boxcars, and you have one letter mistaken. You have one letter mistaken. You didn't. What? You were bad at spelling. You didn't. It's Canadian, not Canadian, with an A, not with an E. Oh well. Jeez. I'm gonna find that person who painted these boxcars, or not painted, but logoed these boxcars, I'm gonna give them a stern talking to. What was this, 560 maybe? I don't know. Yes, I know, Mr. Alec. It is amazing. Yes, it is. If you, for those of you who don't know, that is a How to Train Your Dragon reference. There was someone in there named Hiccup, and apparently it was on this boxcar. What did he freaking do? No kidding. This train was so slow. What was this? Sure. A little bit. The railroad's music to people's ears. Flat spots banging and banging rhythmically. They get much better than that. They weren't up with the air, that's for sure. They were not up with the air. He eventually started picking up speed. You can't hear it. New Orleans Public New Orleans Public Belt. That's something I haven't seen in a while. Yeah, there it is. Picking up speed. Shoutout. I don't know what that was. Yeah.
My whole boxcar's on this train.
I'm kidding.
Let's pick up speed now.
We're already like 10 minutes into this video. We're already 10 minutes into this video. About maybe 9 minutes. Yep, it's going. Yeah. Well, it says we got lucky for some reason. What did we get lucky with? I forget. And he's on track 1, so there must be something else. Must be something else. Maybe on like track 2 or something like that. I guess we're gonna see. It's a freaking race.
Guys, me and my friend have been stuck here for almost an hour waiting for a train.
Yeah.
Just a second.
So indeed. Yeah, he's moving now.
Well, there you go. I think we have another train coming.
There you go.
Speaking with right now.
Yep.
We got another train coming, guys.
Who am I speaking with right now, bro?
This is Railfan Connects Fight and Mr. Fixer Upper here.
Let's go.
We have another train coming. Are you
There's the
kidding me?
guy.
How about that? Please don't forget to like and
There's the
subscribe.
guy.
Alex, the fixer upper here, and I am with
No
right
kidding.
now.
This is Railfan Connects Fight here.
Yes, sir, guys. We just already, as you guys can see, that train has just been all the way out. Look how much traffic we got, bro. And look at this, bro. We have a.
Oh, yeah.
This is part 2.
SD70 AC, all right.
Booking. He's booking. Oh, goodness. I'm gonna probably say that this was probably the I-162. I could be wrong, as of course, I did not know what the 162 looked like back in 2023. So it's anyone's guess, really. I mean, it looks like it could be the 162 back then, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Flying.
How do you like that? 60 miles an hour.
Guys, that is 2 trains in a row.
That'll
There you
do
go.
it.
This is insane, bro.
I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for this. You will not regret it, guys.
And again, who
No kidding. Look how far we are now into the YouTube channel. Over 500 subscribers and a lot of good content for you guys.
You win.
This is Railfan Connects Fight with Mr. Fixer Upper right here.
Yes, sir. You
There
Like
he is.
and
There's the
subscribe to our
guy.
channel, please.
There's
We'll
the
see you
guy.
guys next time.
Sure. Oh my goodness. Oh man, Mr. Alec, I miss you, dude. I miss railfanning with you. I gotta get back together with him. Oh my goodness, it's been so long since I've railfanned with that guy. Oh goodness, I miss him already. And that'll be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this first ever reaction video from me myself. It was quite fun having to go back and look at some of the old videos that I used to post back when I used to post vertically instead of using the editor app that I use now. It's fine. I've come so far in doing these kind of things. I might not be like a pro or whatnot, but and I might not be getting all of the views that I would have hoped for. But you know, it's whatever. We're chilling. We're going. I need to do a live stream soon. I just realized. Because why not, right? With that, ladies and gentlemen, I think I'll end it here for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is Railfan Connects by signing out. I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.